Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. I have some videos up about my normal meal prep, but I'm going to do something a little bit different here. It's something like what I used to do back when I lived in Los Angeles. I'm going to use the ground beef, bell peppers, and the mushrooms. I'm not going full keto, but I'm going kind of, I guess, keto-ish for a little while just to see what this is going to be like. And I have some butter I'm going to saute these in. So let's see how this works out.
For this meal prep, I'm using 2.25 pounds of ground beef because that's how it came. I ended up buying it at Walmart, which I typically don't buy my meat at Walmart, but hey, I'm running on a weekend. It says it has 9 servings per container with 280 calories per serving, 19 grams of protein per serving, 2% calcium. Ooh, that's odd. And 10% of the iron. I'm using 4 bell peppers or green peppers because that's all they had. It was a pretty sad produce aisle, I've got to tell you. And I got 2 packs of the mushrooms, just really for volume. The mushrooms are going to have 6 servings per container with 20 calories per, and no calcium and 2% iron. This looks so odd to me to be cooking ground beef because I've cooked ground turkey for, gosh, probably 2 years now, and it looks so dark and so red. I have the ground beef cooked, and even though the package says that there are 9 servings in there, I'm going to divide it up into 10 so that I'll have enough meals to take to work for 2 weeks. I divided the 9 servings of ground beef into 10 different containers, and to be honest, it doesn't look like very much meat. I'm glad I bought 2 packs of mushrooms. I left the fat from the ground beef in the skillet, and I'm sauteing the mushrooms in that. I'm not going to get them too limp because I'm going to put them in the freezer, and I want them a little crunchy because I'm going to heat them up in the microwave when I get to work. So I'm probably going to go ahead and parcel those out. I have my mushrooms divided up into my 10 containers, and I ended up with this liquid left over from the mushroom. So I'm going to spoon that into my meal prep containers, then add a little bit of butter in here to saute my green onions in. I added 2 tablespoons of butter. That's going to give me 200 calories and really not anything else, some vitamin A. Into the electric skillet, I'm going to let that melt, and I'm going to add in my 4 chopped up bell peppers, or green peppers, whatever you want to call them. I go ahead and chop them like this because I want them in bite-sized pieces when I'm eating my lunch. I don't want to have to use a fork. When I'm eating my lunch, I don't want to have to use a knife. I'm putting salt and pepper on these because that's just going to alleviate a step that I'm going to have to do at lunch anyway. Don't those look pretty? I haven't cooked with butter in a long time. I've forgotten how good it smells when it's being sauteed. And the children's father was laid off. We had free government butter, and we used it to make macaroni and cheese and grilled cheese sandwiches. It smells so good. That's what this smell's reminding me of, those grilled cheese sandwiches. I have my bell peppers and my green peppers sauteed about where I want them to be. Again, I don't want to get them really, really limp because I'm going to heat them up before I eat them. I'm going to parcel those out into my 10 containers. To be honest, that doesn't look like much food for lunch. The protein blends that I use with the ground turkey gives me a lot more volume. I guess I will experiment to see if the increased fat is going to take care of the decreased carbs. I have them divided up into the 10 containers. I did the math to give me the calories, protein, calcium, and iron breakdown. So per serving, it's 286 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2% calcium, and 12% iron. This is about half of what I normally eat for lunch, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to try it and see. This whole low carb, higher fat thing is interesting. Honestly, that just doesn't look like enough food.
After eating about a week's worth of these for lunch, they don't satisfy me as much as my protein blends and ground turkey did. I think primarily because those have more volume in them than these do. I usually have a prepared plate of kale with some bacon in it after I eat these, which equals about the same amount of calories and protein as my ground turkey and protein blends did. Thanks for watching my video about the meal prep. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate, and until next time, take care and eat as healthy as you can. Bye.